I'm here to bid farewell to Nigeria, to make sure that they are leaving our country, and to say to them, bye-bye Nigeria. Thank you for all you contributed in our country. We did not appreciate the wrongs that you have done, and we hope that you have learned.
You dare not celebrate anything Igbo New Yam Festival. Guys, you're welcome back to this platform, and this is your humble servant right here on this platform. Top Gossip 24. We shamia na webo mo akasede. Fila. Ebusia, we are here on a purpose and on a mission. There's a fresh warning advice from one Nigeria guy to the Igbo leader. Or say, don't try it. Don't do it. You dare not. And let me just use this opportunity to also tell him, you dare not disobey our people. You dare not. Because if you do that, you meet us. We'll be shying Goku 101. This is a straight message. And let's go and listen to the Nigerian guy or tuning crop 24. Said they shouldn't try it. Yonko T. We'll be right back.
You see, the whole truth is that I never know that Ghanaians are waiting to see or to hear anywhere that Igbos are celebrating or talking about anything like New Year Festival in Ghana this time around. Like I never even know that maybe they have got information. Many Ghanaians, I never know that they have got information that maybe Igbos are going to celebrate New Year Festival this year. So I never knew until I posted that video that I posted last time. I swear, through the comment of that video, if you see comment in that video, if you see what many people are commenting in that video, like I feel like that in fact it was God that pushed me to make that video, because like I did not make that video, I wouldn't have taken it serious. If somebody told me without the comment that I received on that video, I wouldn't have taken it serious. Like it's just God that pushed me to make that video, and I'm using this opportunity, please. If you are an Igbo person in Ghana, those of you that always celebrate that New Year Festival in Ghana, please, this time around, you people should avoid anything like New Year Festival completely in Ghana. Forever, please, you people should forget about anything like New Year Festival in Ghana or any other thing that relates to any other celebration, like things that Ghana did not want. Because the comment that I received in that video, I swear, you see comment I received in that video. That is the reason why, that's even what motivates me more of making more videos since that day. So instead of you to say or to organize New Year Festival in any way in Ghana, in any region at all in Ghana, please, you people should use that in the morning and go back to Nigeria and celebrate New Year Festival. Because with what I'm seeing, if you people decide and do anything, organize any New Year Festival in any way in Ghana, you see, those of you that organize that New Year Festival, it is going to cost a lot for you people. So the money that you may lose if you people do that thing in Ghana would have been better for you if to say you use that money and go to Nigeria and celebrate it and come back. You people are going to lose more than what you would have spent. So please, I advise any Nigerian, wherever you are in Ghana, please, I'm begging, don't organize anything like New Year Festival and that Igbo king of a thing that you people used to do in Ghana. Please, you people should stop it. Don't try to do it anywhere, anytime again in Ghana, because I will not go lie you. If you see comment for that video, I foresee that is the highest video that I have ever received, highest comment since I started making content. So please, in anywhere you are in Ghana, please avoid anything like New Year Festival. You people should avoid it. In fact, not only this year, forever. We all came here to make money. We all come here to look for betterment of our life. Please, just the way we travel to Nigeria to go and celebrate Xmas, that is the way you should travel this year. If you say you want to go and celebrate New Year Festival, go and celebrate it then and come back. Because you people are going to lose a lot if you decided to, to celebrate or to do anything like New Year Festival in Ghana. Ghanaians are going to come after you people. You see, me that is making this video, it is not going to affect me the way it is going to affect you people. But the little way it will affect me, that is why I am making this video. Please and please, you people should avoid anything New Year Festival and Igbo King in Ghana from now henceforth. Please.
Alright guys, so I believe you guys listen to this Igbo guy. To be honest, he has done his best. I believe strongly that a lot of Igbos have actually spoken with respect to these things. And you guys remember Christ in Me, right? And you remember other guys that were commenting on this festival last year. This is another guy that has surfaced and he's talking about this. Most of the guys that were talking about these things have all vanished from social media. We are not seeing them. And they've decided to tone their own way and quiet and do what they have to do. Now, personally, from where I sit, I think that this guy is doing a good job by advising Chukwudi, Jude, Ehine too. But as to whether he will listen is another thing we all have to think of. Now, my brother, you've done so well. You are in Ghana, right? You want to respect the laws. You're trying to tell your people what to do. I want you to know, and let me speak in pidgin so you understand. You see, the thing where you put they do, the thing where Chuku they do, this kind of dancing it they dance, this kind of noise it they do, this kind of things it they do. Now they let some of us know they like you Igbo people. Let me be frankly speaking with all of you. This kind of disrespect you people they show to our people in the marketplaces and talking anyhow and going to Adan area to buy land and disrespect people in Adan and areas like Nongo, Pampran and stuff like that. That's the reason why we know they like you people. So if you know the best thing to do as they advise them, I will also tell you that tell your people that if they won't do such thing, they can do it elsewhere. But we, the Ghana way people, will be very slow but sure. And if we they bite very, very well. We they bite so say it will go bite enough into our mouth. So we just they tell you people, tell this man where they dance there, we wear something for a head top like Bukasi. If any Igbo guy is listening to me, including the 16 chiefs he has installed, he should wait, because a day is coming we will summon him. We go summon them together, including all the people. Because you see, the thing people don't know is that the people will then give this man that position. Most of themselves, they don't get leg to stand on. Most of them don't get leg to stand on. Those people those days they allow Chukwudi to get this kind of position. They dance like that for God. Those people, most of them know they. Now the only leg he gets, we say Muhammad they support him. And gradually they give him warning. And gradually they give him warning. So if he like, make it continue. The very day if he try something else, he go can't learn from us. I'm using this opportunity. Let me just say Ghana Fonina, including Ghana Adangwe people Wakra. This a fight we know. This fight, it be our fight. This particular issue where they go on. This particular issue where they go on. Pani. Adi we a koso. No money ni ya no wo no mo. No men pa game fin fight. Keje kweshin kagbe elangba kagbe shula. Keje na yi wulo moje kaba babu wulo moje all the way to Temanu town to Po. Neke no money wo no money because ake hia hwehwemo ke jemo ke yemo en komenshi wo ye ga because of papa le ndomode ni euna je ganyoni do san wo tashi ni wo fe no san wo fe wo fe wo twa ni wo manyaba. Bye for now.